I gotta change my. I gotta like choose like Japanese, English, pipe, cop. Nah, English, obviously. So welcome to Psycho no Sutoka, game about a yandere. Uh, okay. Yandere. Kinda fine though. We don't waste no time on this channel. Yawn. You got a little tomato juice on your chin there. Maybe you should. Oh my, I'm zoomed in. I can tell because there's a window behind you. Two of them, to be honest. Well, two of them. I don't know if I can trust that. Who's him? Okay. Can you like clean your shirt before you talk to me? Okay. Is this the he? You're shaking. Are you okay? John, don't kill John. Okay, just don't kill me. Okay. Okay, what am I supposed to do? Oh. Let me read this. The breaker switch is in the storage room. I did not want to do it. Sorry. Okay. Wait, key to it is in the safe. Find the code. I did not want to do it. Sorry. Oh. Hey, is that me? That's me. Okay. Okay. Anything in here? No, okay. Okay. I think she's over there. She's like behind me. No. I heard. this box. Woohoo. Shoes. Got my Yeezys on, bro. My Yeezys. Okay, I actually don't wear Yeezys there. Okay, that's locked. That's locked. Key. A3. Is there another key? Oh, it's so dark in this game. Is there like any power or something? Oh, there is. Okay. Oh my! Okay. She just disappeared, so I think we're fine. I'm really shaky. Oh my jeez! Could you please don't do that? Wait, did I not turn on the power? What do I do? Okay, okay. Why'd the music speed up? Let there be light, he said. Don't let darkness flow through the world, he said. Look where that got us. Oh, I need it. Oh, I need it. Oh, it's raining. Probably won't be useful. What are you doing? I can't do anything. Let me out. Okay. Just push me down the stairs. You're gonna kill me. Okay, right here. For the rest of the video, I'm just gonna make small edits because I am getting really tired of editing, adding like a lot of stuff to this one because this was originally an hour long, and I'm not trying to shorten it too much by adding too many jump cuts and stuff. But I'll still add types of memes and stuff. So bye. Just finish watching the video. Editing me out. She's charging me. She's charging, bro. Oh yeah. Better hide there, I guess. Nah. Okay. I want to go back up to the infirmary. Infirmary is like a nurse's office. So like, maybe I could heal. How many times is this gonna happen to me? Oh, you dragged me where I was looking for. Thank you. You're a generous girl. This is a nurse's office. Okay, yes. I was just gonna say, if there's no reflections in this game, it must be poorly developed, but it's a good game. Because, like, obviously, there's fucking reflections. Let me in here. Yeah, you can watch me. Just don't come in, okay? Jesus. The music shut off, so I was gonna... Please let me leave. I'll go on a date with you if you let me leave. I got my shoes on. Please stop. Put the key, go, please. Go, 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 go. Start jumping this game? Give me some, give me some. Why don't you go get another guy? Why does it have to be me? I gotta go this way. Please. What? Okay. Oh my god. Key. B1, B1, B1. Oh. Go, go, go. No, not the... This is attempt 2. Now we know how to play and what we're looking for. We're looking for keys, I think. First thing we gotta do is turn on that power. The storage room is down here. Storage room is this way. It's right there. Okay. One up here. gotta look for some keys. Okay. Why are you right there? Why? I don't even have my shoes on. She's right there. The fuck? Can I have that? Why did you turn off the light? It just gives away your position. Your eyes, bro. Hey, bright as hell. She really following me. Hey, you might be a queen, who knows? But, like, please don't kill me. Go, 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 go. Get in there. Don't waste any time, character. Go! What the f- Glasses. Get off me, get off me. Yeah, you don't want this smoke. Okay, we're good. I'm dead. Death by glass. Doesn't sound that bad. I just know this dude's feet hurt. I can't grab the Yeezys. Ow! No! I tried to get the Yeezys! But anyways, guys, if you enjoyed me playing Psycho no Tsutoko, anyways, guys, if you enjoyed me playing Psycho no Tsutoko, make sure to drop a like and subscribe down below. Turn on post notifications, and I'll see you guys later. Bye.
Well, I'll be honest, I don't really understand, but I fell down this hill. Now I got glue on my hands and I got rackets on my fingers. Rackets on my fingers, I got rackets on my fingers, and it just